Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates. Kamusta po kayo lahat? Andito ang inyong lingkod, Renzo Tarot Channel. Para bigyan po kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading, dito lamang po sa inyo lagi na abangan. Sinusubaybayan at pinakamahal na Renzo Tarot Channel. Sige po, ang ating pong reading na pagsasamahan ngayon ay reading po para sa Chinese New Year 2026 na reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na sign ng Libra. Okay, Libra, this is for you. Ano ba mga ganap? Ano bang dapat asahan natin sa parating na Year of the Fire Horse sa February 17, 2026. Sige, kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po ang ating reading ay huwag po kayong mahiya na mag-comment. Nag-reply po ako at nagbabasa ng mga comments, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Sige, Libra, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Kunin na natin ang inyong 10 baraha. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, and Ancestors, Holy Spirit. 10 cards please for Libra. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. I hope you're okay. I hope you're in good condition. Sana po ay healthy kayo, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Di po ako magsasawang pasalamat sa inyo sapagkat alam nyo yan, kung wala po kayong mga viewers, ay wala po ang Renzo Tarot Channel. Simula noon hanggang ngayon ay hindi niyo po ako iniwan. That's why maraming salamat po. Sige. Libra, your 10 cards are na complete. Huwag nating patagalin pa ito. Kamusta kayo mga Libra ko soulmates? I hope you're okay. So, sige, without further ado, Libra, for your Chinese New Year 2026 reading, let's begin with a very beautiful opening card, Libra. This is an Ace of Pentacles. So, expect stability in terms of finances. Pera ito, malaking pera. So, maybe if you're waiting for something big na siguro this is a back pay, bonus, incentive, or maybe may dinidil kayong lupa, property na you are expecting a big amount of money. So, expect a good news about it, Libra. So, the luck will be on your side. The good news will be on your favor. So, this is big amount of money. Or, this Ace of Pentacles card also signifies a new kind of thing. It's like a new opportunity. Pamali mo side hustle, or it's like may mag-offer sa'yo ng bagong trabaho, or any kind of thing na makapagbibigay talaga sa'yo ng malaking amount of money. Okay, Libra, tingnan natin sa mga susunod na baraha. But this is a very beautiful opening card. O, ayan. It will make you so happy. At the same time, with this full card, the universe want to tell you, Libra, na you need to find time for yourself to enjoy, okay? Just enjoy the show, wag masyadong ma-stress, wag masyadong maging seryoso sa mga problema kasi lilipas din yan. Everything has a solution, everything has a resolution kasi baka mamaya maapektuhan ka. Yes, hindi pwedeng hindi natin harapin at gawa ng paraan ng problema, but Libra, the universe want to tell you that with this full card, you need to have time para magliwaliw, para mahalin ang sarili mo. It's like, you need to enjoy yourself. At least take a break, maglaan ng ilang araw, ilang linggo, or buwan for you to recover or for you to recharge, you regain your energy. You go overseas, mag-travel kayo, you go to the beach, you go movie alone, you eat outside, o kung ano man yan na makakapag-recharge ng energy mo. Okay? This is about loving yourself or giving yourself a time to recharge. Okay, Libra, pasensya na kung may konting ingay sa background, ha? Sige, just focus on the reading. Oh my God, grabe. Ace of Pentacles, now and dito naman yung Ace of Cups. So, not only in money, hindi lang basta sa pera ang katatagan na mararanasan nyo, Libra. Magpapatuloy ang magandang katayuan, standing ng iyong trabaho, ng iyong career. If you took an exam, if you're waiting for a result, please, Libra, claim mo na to, it will be on your side, magiging magandang resulta, papasa kayo. If you're waiting for a result of something na prinoses nyo itong nakaraan, visa application, so it's a yes, of course, with this Ace of Cups. So, if you're waiting for a sign na magbukas ng business or negosyo, it's a big yes also. So, any kind of isipin mo or gawin nyo, maybe nagdududa pa kayo or like dadalawang isip pa kayo nitong mga nakarang araw or nakarang linggo, this is the best sign kapag napanood nyo ito. It's because lumabas yung Ace of Pentacles and here another Ace. So this is Ace of Cups. So this signifies victory. Okay, good news, success. Libra, grabe. Tatlo pa lang na baraha pero ano na, it's like siksik, liglig, umaapaw na. Tingnan mo pa ito pang-apat, grabe, kinikilabutan ako. We have Ten of Cups. Big celebration is coming on your way, Libra. I hope and I pray maraming nasa sign ng Libra makapanood ito ngayon because I know that they are going to be so happy. Hindi lang ikaw, all the members of the family, all your friends and the people that you love and that value you will also be celebrating. Sabi ko nga, kasi if you are waiting for a big result, if you're waiting for something na kumbaga life-changing, it will transform your life, it's like an overwhelming result na inaantay nyo. Please, no doubt. So, it will be on your favor. It will be good news. It will be a big yes for you, Libra. Tanggalin yung takot, tanggalin yung pagdududa, tanggalin yung pagdadalawang isip. Yes, it's just a matter of God's and universe perfect timing na makakamit mo ito. Okay? So we have here 10 of Cups. So ang dami mo nang napatunayan, madadagadagan pa ito. Ang dami mo nang napundar, ang dami mo nang awards na na-receive, ang dami ng recognition, ang dami ng appreciation, but still, napakagaling mo, Libra. Parang, parang lumalapit talaga sa iyo yung swerte. Libra, this is a very good reading. Imagine mo, nakaapat na tayo. Walang halos itapon na baraha. Libra, I'm so happy for you. So let's continue. O ayan, Queen of Swords, maturity, fearless, brave, bold na ang Libra ngayon. So the universe is telling you na ipagpatuloy mo yung Libra kasi nakakakita tayo dito ng mga Libra na hindi na natatakot, puno na ng confidence, hindi na nahihiya. It's like natuto na kayo, kaya nyo nang humarap sa mga tao, sa community. It's like without hesitation, without fear, hindi na kayo parang nagdadalawang isip. Parang you gain maturity now. You're now being disciplined, okay? With this Queen of Swords. So, pagpatuloy mo yan kasi you need to stand on your own. Kailangan mo rin matutunan na tumayo sa sarili mo. You need to be independent. Yes, I can see here independence, freedom, kalayaan. So, of course, kapag may freedom ka, you will feel the happiness and contentment, Libra, di ba? So, this is a very good card, Queen of Swords. And before we continue sa ating second row, sa ating last 5 cards, kapag nagugustuhan niyo po ang ating reading ngayon, mag-comment kayo, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Libra, let's continue. We have here Two of Cups, partnership, collaboration. So, expect sa mga darating na araw at darating na linggo, may mga tao, may mga sitwasyon na magbubukas ng opportunity para sa Libra in terms of partnership or collaboration. So, it's like, kasi makatapat siya sa Ace of Pentacles, this is related to money. Maybe it's like a new business, a new kind of venture na maaring mapagkakitaan. So it's like, you just need discernment lang. Kailangan, Libra, maging matalino ka lang sa pagde-decide. Baka mamaya ay yung decision na magawa mo. Of course, lahat yan na lalapit sa'yo ay mag-offer ng too good to be true. Parang totoo, parang maganda. But still, you need to be wise, you need to be intelligent sa mga decision na gagawin mo. But expect, what is this partnership and collaboration sa mga darating na araw. Okay. Ang chill lang nitong reading natin ngayon. Parang cool. It's like, so, walang masyadong drama. So, Four of Pentacles, we have your stability in terms of finances. Talaga, you're not going to worry. Less worry ka in terms of kapirahan. So, we have here, magkatapat sila ng Fool. So, that's why you need to clear your mind. Kailangan mo lang magpaka-relax. Just need to calm your nerves. Okay? Kalma mo yung nervous system mo. Libra, because andito, nasa tabi mo ang swerte in terms of money. Look at this one, Four of Pentacles. Yan ang tinatawakan mo, pera. Yung nasa ulo mo, pera. Hawak mo, pera. And look at those skyscrapers, high-rise buildings at the back. So, may nakikita pa tayong Libra dito na makakapag-ipon pa. Okay, aside from stability, madadagdagan pa yung mga properties, yung mga makaka-acquire ng mga bagong properties, gadgets, like valuable items, jewelries, kung ano man yung Libra. So that's a good thing. So pinapakita lang talaga nito na in terms of money-wise, wala ka talagang problema dito sa Ace of Pentacles. Okay? Oh, grabe. Pang-8 na nating bara. Wala talaga. So, this is a very beautiful reading for you. Look at this Page of Pentacles. Look, this is a harvest season for you. Aside from stability, magko-continue, tuloy-tuloy ang daloy, yung agos ng kapirahan sa'yo because here you're holding a pentacle. Aside from not worrying, so mas marami pa, magugulat ka. Hindi ka na nga nag-worry kasi may stability ka na, maganda yung kita ng business mo, maganda yung income sa trabaho mo, at marami pang lumarating, madami pang opportunities na nagbubukas. I can see here also that you are happy and contented as of now, Libra, kasi look at the yellow at the background, it's the color of joy and happiness. So this is a very beautiful card. So magkatapat din sila ng Ace of Cups. So any kind of thing na gagawin mo may kinalaman sa pera, negosyo, partnership o kung ano man yan, of course it will yield a positive result, good news, kasi this Page of Pentacles signifies success also. Grabe, we have two cards left, Libra. Wala akong masabi sa reading na to. So, let's continue. Ayan, King of Cups. Pagkatapat pa sila ng ng Ten of Cups. What does it mean? The universe want to tell you that there will be a good news, there will be a recognition in terms of sa trabaho or sa craft na minamaster mo. Kung ano man yung tinatrabaho mo, kung wala ka man sa workplace, nasa opisina, siguro nasa bahay ka lang, may talent ka, nagbablog ka, kumakanta ka, or kung you have arts, you have talent in arts, so expect recognition, expect na madidiscover yan, may good news, may mga tao, may mga makapangyarihan, is like powerful people, influential people, na ma-appreciate yung talent mo at makikilala ka dyan. Of course, mag-offer din ng partnership for you, so expect that, Libra. And with that, of course, you will be celebrating because that is a big milestone for you. And of course, magbibigay din sa iyo yan ng stability sa kaperahan. Maaaring makapagbigay yan sa iyo ng extra income, Libra. Ilabas na yung mga tinatago-tagong talent na yan. Huwag nang mahiya-hiya pa. So, kasi diba, sabi ko, Queen of Swords, kailangan mo nang matutong humarap. On your own, kailangan mo nang matutong tumayo sa sarili mo, mga paa, Libra. Tapusin natin itong napaka-cool, chill lang na reading natin para sa Chinese New Year 2026, Year of the Fire Horse, with this Tower card. Wow! Amazing. Amazing. Ending. Katapusan ng mga bagay na nagbabagabag sa'yo. Stress, problema, sakit sa ulo, worries, anxieties. Tapos na lahat yan. So, you are moving forward talaga. You will be moving forward, Libra, sa isang chapter ng buhay mo na puno ng positivity, filled with abundance, prosperity, hindi ka mamumroblema sa pera. Tingnan mo, nagsimula tayo sa Ace of Pentacles, natapos tayo sa The Tower card. So it means, Libra, ano ibig sabihin ito? Tapos na lahat ng problema mo, pag-aalala mo, lalong-lalo na kapag may kinalaman sa kaperahan. I-claim mo na ngayon itong mga parating na abundance. Magbalikan nyo yung video ko, mag-comment kayo kapag nakuha nyo ito. And advance congratulations for you, Libra. I'm wishing you all the best and I'm so happy for you. So I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sign ng Libra ang makapag dito ngayon. Kapag nagustuhan nyo po or nakaresonate kayo sa ating reading ngayon, don't hesitate to comment, like, share, click the notification bell para lagi po kayo updated sa ating mga susunod na videos. And of course, ang hinihingi ko lang po sa inyong bayad, ang isubscribe po ang ating channel. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagmamahal. Nasaan po kayo ngayon naroon? Ano po ang ginagawa nyo? Mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.